Alright, let's have a look at the architecture. When the user gives a command to the sample light, like turn on or off, or setting the brightness or color, that speech is sent through the Echo device up to the Alexa cloud, where it's handled by a smart home skill that we define. That smart home skill is actually tied to a Lambda function written in Python that also alerts an AWS IoT thing through using Boto3 libraries. On the Arduino side, there's a Python script that's listening, that's subscribed to that MQTT um, interface, and then it actually will detect changes and push those across its own internal bridge to update the lights that are actually being driven by a C sketch on the other processor on the Yun.
Alexa, turn on test light.
Okay.
Alexa, set test light to 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, set test light to red.
Okay.
Alexa, set test light to 25%.
Okay.
Alexa, set test light to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, make test light brighter.
Okay.
Alexa, set test light to green.
Okay.
Alexa, dim test light.
Okay.
Alexa, set test light to white.
Okay.
Alexa, set test light to warm white.
Okay.
Alexa, set test light to cool white.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off test light.
Okay.